As the whole world stays at home to help curb the spread of coronavirus, here at Justhands-on.tv we thought you might like to have something to look forward to. So we are starting the month off with previews of retreats coming up in November. We have Use Up, Reuse, Recycle and Upcycle with Paula Doyle, Upcycling Vintage with Sallieanne Harrison, and Thread Boldly with Anya Townrow, using the stitches on your sewing machine, and Hand Embroidery with Naimh Wimperis, as seen on BBC Two's The Victorian House of Arts and Crafts. Also this April, the Stitch Witch flies in on her broomstick to show us how to make beautiful cards from sequin waste and ribbons, supported by her very own range of aperture cards, which you can purchase in the shop. And Jennie Rayment takes us through a great little workshop to create these sweet bunny bags just in time for Easter. Our resident knitting expert Fiona Goble shows us how to create this sloth and other tinsel creatures, which are supported by downloadable patterns. Sallieanne Harrison shares with us how to make coil baskets from simple rope, some scrap fabric strips and the help of a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. There is this delightful Japanese bag project from Carolyn Forster, and we visit artist Nicol to see her amazing monkey exhibition entitled Singerie. Technique Thursday has Valerie showing us how to bind our quilts with a sewing machine, which is so much easier on the fingers than doing by hand. And there is a workshop on how to make this simple modern charm quilt using 5-inch charm squares. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.